this is sink cleaning. It doesn't really matter if you're cleaning a bathroom sink or a kitchen sink. But you want to follow these tips to make sure that it's cleaned really well. If your soil level is low, that means the sink it's not very dirty. Just give it a spray with your probiotic cleaner and give it a good wipe down. And that's probably all you need to do. Use your little scrubber. Like I love these toothbrushes I get from the dollar store. Give it a little scrub around the base of the fixtures and down into the drain. To scrub around the little drain. Give it a rinse. Okay, and make sure that you follow up with a dry cloth. So I've got my dry cloth here. And just dry off the fixtures. All right, that's if your soil level's not very bad. If you've got a really dirty sink, you need to take it up a notch. Go ahead and use your eco-friendly dish soap. Squirt a little bit in there, a little bit goes a long way, and scrub it out. I like to use little circle motions like this. If you need a little bit extra on top of that, and maybe you've got a stuck-on spot, or sometimes those white sinks, especially the kitchen sinks, they'll have little scratch marks in them. And to get the sink nice and white again, use your Bonami powder cleanser. And I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit in there. You can see that it's a white color, and this will kind of help get those kitchen sink stains out for you. And just scrub it out. Make sure you rinse it really good, guys, because the powder cleanser, it'll leave a white residue if you don't rinse it good enough, okay? Now, if you're doing a deep clean and you notice there's a lot of water stains, like the hard water deposits, then you can break out the big guns, all right? Go for your Amaze paste. So you put a little paste on your cloth, and like we're using a soft, this right here is a microfiber cloth. You could use a terry cotton cloth. If you really need a little extra oomph, you can use your non-scratch sponge, okay? But most of the time, you don't need that. You just use your cloth and your little scrubber here, or your toothbrush. Like I said, this is your big guns for removing those water spots. Just put a little paste on there and basically just kind of rub it in, buff it out, and rinse it off, okay? And then always remember to dry your shiny fixtures so they don't get spotty again. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Follow those steps. Like I said, whether you're doing a bathroom sink or a kitchen sink, and it'll leave it sparkling clean. Have fun, guys.